Yo, what's poppin', G's? I hope you're all having a wonderful time. What's going on, traders? This week was wonderful. I was able to make more than 500,000. And today, on Friday, I just finished this day with 160,000 on profit. I took 2 trades on gold. I took 2 trades on EURUSD. And in this video, I'm going to go over these trades and tell you why I took these entry opportunities and how I managed them along the way. I've recorded the session, so maybe we are going to get into the live recording as well. But let me show you what was happening in here, guys. So 2 trades on gold, 2 trades on EURUSD. First of all, let's start on a little bit bigger time frame. As you all know, this week was pretty bullish. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, pretty bullish. And then on Thursday, we finally came into that bearish scenario, more or less. As you can see, a little bit consolidation and then break of market structure to the downside. And we have a lot of imbalance sitting in here. As you might remember, on Wednesday, gold was just flying without us. I was so pissed that I was not able to capture on these trades. You cannot believe I was waiting 3 times for a pullback and it just fly. It was just flying, couldn't get in, unluckily. But anyways, I was able to make some money on Thursday and on Friday. So let me talk about these trades. So as you can see, let me go to the higher time frame. We have this imbalance completely filled, as you can see, and then we started to bounce off of this level in here. And this is the level where we have some selling pressures coming in, or market makers started to take profits, however you want to see it. Sellers have been stepping into the game, as you can see clearly. We broke structure in here. Then market came back and I was expecting a pullback in either this zone. Let me show you on the 5-minute chart. In either this zone, I expected a pretty strong move to the downside. I was really aiming for these lows and to get back into this zone in here. This is what I was looking for. At the end, it was not giving me this huge big run, but it's good to have always a higher target in mind, where you let maybe 10% of your position run through, you know. So what we had, guys, market was breaking structure. As you can see, we had like this equal lows in here. I mean, some buyers got tricked into the market. Then we had this consolidation that stops out a lot of people. I mean, a lot of buyers got tricked in here. Then we had this huge push to the downside. So when I see something like this, I'm getting really interested in that zone. And I wanted to see market come back into that zone so I can take a sell. Unfortunately, I got tricked into a sell pretty quick. I just got stopped out and then I immediately entered again, because overall, I mean, we had this internal liquidity sitting above this high, maybe above this high as well. But within this overall last move to the upside before the market broke structure, this is the zone where I was interested to sell. Unfortunately, I got stopped out on this one, but my analysis was still right, so I gave it another try, a second chance entry. Because let's go to the lower time frames and then let's check the volume, guys. Because we had this significant break, volume was going up a little bit, going up some more, as you can see, going up some more, but it was not breaking up to the upside, you know, it was not breaking through the upside. Volume has increased and it was not breaking through the upside. So what does that mean, guys? They are starting to take profits and turn the market around. And this is why I started selling this thing like crazy. I took a lot of positions in here, and as soon as I was able to move my stop a little bit more down, I think I took 2 more entries in here. And then I was writing this thing down just before this last drop, before market came up. I was taking profits in here, in this zone. Took some profits in here, took some profits in here, and then I finished my trading day with, like, gold gave me a huge run. On EURUSD, I was break even, so On gold, I took my first loss. I lost 2% on this one, but then I made it all back in this run because this thing was just moving like crazy. It was very beautiful. Had a really good run on that one. And I think when I closed all trades on gold, I was up 2%. So I made 4% on this runner, lost 2% here, made 4% here, and Euro US dollar was pretty much break even. Well, my initial idea on Euro US dollar today, as you might know, was that I was trying to get a buy entry within that zone. I saw these equal lows in here, so a lot of stops are sitting here, and I thought the market will come back, slash through these lows, and then go up. Maybe we are going to see this next week. Let's see, because we have overall, we had a nice breakout through the upside. Then the market came back to fill all the imbalance, then got back into this order block, and now it looks like it wants to accumulate some orders and then get up to the upside again. But we don't know. Let's see. And yeah, what was happening, guys? Same thing on Euro US dollar. I was taking a sell a little bit too early, got tricked into a position, then got stopped out. But as soon as we took out these highs in here, this internal liquidity, then we had this nice move to the downside. At the end, it was just consolidating. I was taking my profits at around 101. Like I lost 1% in here, made around 1%, a little bit less than that in here. So I finished my day break even on Euro US dollar because it was not really moving. It was slowing down and just consolidating, and then I decided to close the trade because I was on my way to play some basketball in the gym with my friends. And yeah, I was 3 hours in there, man. I'm pretty exhausted. But anyways, I wanted to make another video for you guys to show you my trading day today on Friday. Made 160,000, and yeah, it was beautiful, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope I can give you a little bit more insights about my trading ideas, my setups, and I hope that you can learn something from this. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, and if you need any help, you can drop me private message in Telegram, and yeah, I have a lot of valuable information to share with you, so drop me a message and I will help you get on top of the Forex game, guys. Let's get it. I wish you a wonderful weekend, guys. Have a good time and stay healthy, stay safe. Peace.
Every time my body